Here we come to the elevator at 5701 Woodway in Houston, Texas. We got an armor in Houston. This is awesome. Wow, we got a vintage elevator. I'm not sure if that one by the Marriott in Westwood was still original or not. Ugh. You seriously fooled me. That was not funny. I don't even know what brand this elevator is. But I do like the motor though. At least the fan is not as loud as we hear the motor. It's a pretty tall cab. Aside from the Innovation COP, it's definitely got to be an older mod. Anyways, I have no idea what brand this elevator is, either US or something, I don't know. Close. This was almost definitely not even worth filming. Because when I saw that call button right there, I literally thought we had something. The call button is original, but don't fool me again. I dare you. I'm telling you, do not fool me. You understand? So with that being said, there it goes, and that's it.